Hi everyone, welcome back to Hein Academy, and in this video I'm going over how to find the reciprocal of a whole number. So in the previous video, what we did was how to find the reciprocal of a mixed number. So I will put that link in the description and also at the top right corner so that you can check it out after this video. The focus of this video is to find the reciprocal of a whole number. Let's go through the example. So 1. We have 7 as a whole number. Okay, so 7. So the steps are, if we have a whole number, we will convert it into fraction, and then from that fraction we will find its reciprocal. So reciprocal is basically we will flip the numerator and denominator. So a by b will be, b by a. So a goes to the bottom, b goes to the top. So a will be the denominator, b will be the numerator. So right here, so from first step, whole number, we will write it as a fraction. So whenever you see a whole number, there is always 1 underneath as the denominator. So 7 by 1 is equal to 7, and 7 is equal to 7 by 1. From there, we will be flipping the numerator and denominator. So 7 by 1 will be 1 by 7. So let's check it out and see if 1 by 7 is the reciprocal of the whole number 7. What we did in the last video, we did with the multiplying with the fraction times its reciprocal. So 1 they get cancelled out, 7 by 7 they get cancelled out. So the answer is 1. So it proves that 1 by 7 is the reciprocal of 7. So let's try a different number. Question 2, let's come up with 15. So same thing, we have a whole number. In order to find the reciprocal of 15, we will use this steps. So for a whole number 15, we can write it as 15 by 1, and it is equal to the whole number because the denominator is 1, and when 15 is divided by 1, then you get 15. And now we can find the reciprocal. So basically we will flip the numerator and denominator. So 15 goes to the denominator and 1 goes to the numerator. So 1 by 15 is the reciprocal of 15. Let's check it out. 15 by 1 times 1 by 15. 15 they get cancelled out. 1 by 1 they get cancelled out. So we get 1. So it shows that 1 by 15 is the reciprocal of 15. I hope it helps, and if this video adds value to you in some ways, make sure you click like and subscribe my channel. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.